So this is the game Dino Dig, and we're starting with this game because we need to make sure that everybody's all set up and can actually get onto the computers, and sometimes that happens and sometimes it doesn't. So this is something for you to do that'll help you with Scratch, um, but is a little bit easier just to do on your own. You can just read the directions right here. I'm sure everybody can do that. And you're going to be looking for dinosaurs. We're going to just go to Start. This is what the game looks like. And you can see it is set up on a grid, and that's something that you're going to notice with Scratch. It's also set up on a grid, and we'll talk about that later. We have X and Y. You see those two letters? And what you're going to do with Dino Dig is you're going to be looking for these dinosaur bones, and your score depends on like how well you find them, how well you are deductive about where they might be and where might be the next place to go. But what this is going to tell you is X and Y and how numbers show up with X and Y. So like if I want to start, I can click on 6. So 6 is X, and let's say I'm going to say let me do something totally different. How about 1 is Y? Now it shows me 6 and 1. Okay? Now you remember X is 6. So these are all the X's, and Y is 1, and it puts a circle right there. I can change it. Let's say I think 1 is too little, so maybe I want to go all the way up to 5. Okay, so now X is 6, Y is 5. And now I can check it for a dinosaur bone. And let's see what I get. And it gives me a red X. So I don't have one here. So I'm looking. I certainly didn't get the little one because I would probably get that right there. And the big one, I don't know. So I'm going to look for a different place on the grid. Maybe something over here. Now that would be X9 and Y would be 2. So I'm going to choose 9 and 2. And there I am, 9 and 2. And let's check it, see what happens. Okay, it looks like I've got part of a bone. All right. So I'm going to choose something close to that. Now, I can go up kind of almost anywhere around here. So how would I go down? All right. So that would be X would be 9 and Y would be 1. So I would go 9, 1, right there. Check it. Oh, I found a dinosaur. And by the way, I haven't played this before. That was just a coincidence. So anyway, you use the XY grid to find your dinosaurs. And go ahead and play this game while we try to get everybody sorted and their passwords set up. If everybody has their password set up and you're doing great, play the game just to get used to X and Y, and we'll go on.